This is Tom at Classic Showcase. Today we're taking a test drive into North County, San Diego in two of our fine Jaguar XKEs. One's a 1966 XKE Roadster, that's the car that you see right here in front, and a 1968 XKE fixed head coupe. The fixed head coupe has got performance upgrades and some other modifications with air conditioning, but the Roadster is like a stock car right out of the factory in spectacular color combination. And we're giving you a little feel of the country where you would be driving with these special cars. We like to sort them out before they go to the new homes, and this is what we're doing on a fine Saturday up in San Diego.